thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located near Egmont Key, moving southwest at 10 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Manatee 3 Mile North Reef, Southwest Channel, Manatee 7 Mile North Reef, and Passage Key Inlet. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.